this video, I want to give you an overview of the Bernette B62 airlock cover stitch only machine. The B62 is a great machine to have because it's cover stitch only. You can get this machine, set it up, and you have the ability to do a 2-thread chain stitch. You can do a 4-thread wide cover stitch. You can also do a 3-thread narrow cover stitch. There are other accessories and attachments you can get for it, so you won't outgrow the B62 anytime soon. This machine has some great features and a lot of great accessories that comes with it. So let's show you just a little bit about this machine. B62 is a 4-thread serge. It's going to have 3 needles to it, so we can do different things with the needles, taking them out to make a narrow cover stitch or adding the needle to make a wider cover stitch. The machine is very easy to thread, and that's the number one thing we always get asked about cover stitch machines, which is in the serger family, is how hard is this machine going to be to thread? Well, Bernette has you covered on that. When we open the front of the machine up, I have jet air threading. It's going to thread the looper for me. That's all you got to worry about is put the thread here, hit this button, it's going to shoot a stream of air and thread that looper for you. And that is this tension here. The tensions are very easy to adjust on the machine. And another thing about this machine that sets it apart from a lot of other cover stitch machines on the market, when I raise my presser foot, it releases the tension disc here, so I can pull my thread through easy. Threading the machine, it makes it a lot easier for that. So Bernette has you covered on that lower looper. The other 3 tensions are for our needles, and those are very easy. It's just as easy to thread as a regular sewing machine. We just follow our channel. Everything's color coded for the needle to the tension you're working with, and the thread goes front to back through my needles. The machine will have the differential feed on it, so I can adjust the ratio on the side of my machine. I have controls there to adjust the ratio of the differential. I can adjust my stitch length, and I also can raise and lower my presser foot. As we look on the front of the machine, I have handy places to put all my tools. Everybody needs a set of tweezers when you're working with a cover stitch machine. It just makes it so much easier for us pulling threads through, threading the machine. There's a needle insert that comes with it. You have a place to put a pack of your needles, and you have the wrench to take out your needles, keeping everything with the machine so you don't lose them. I don't know about you, I wind up losing a lot of my tools and I have to get new ones. Once you have the machine threaded up, the door goes right back on it. On top of my bed, I have a lot larger bed on this machine. There are places on the top of the machine where I can attach optional binders and other attachments. Ken Sewing Center will carry everything for the B62. On the side of the machine, I do have adjustable pressure, so I can regulate the amount of force being pressed down onto my presser foot. So if I'm working with lighter weight material, I may need to loosen that. If I'm working with a little bit heavier material, I can tighten that down to keep my fabric flat and on that differential feed as the machine is feeding it. Another nice thing that you get with the B62 that you don't get with many cover stitch machines on the market, there's a table that comes with it. On the front of the machine, I have slots here for my table to go through. So it makes it really easy about me sliding that table on. It locks in place, it's not going anywhere, and I have support to the left of my needle where I need it. So I'm working with a larger piece of material, which you will most of the time. It's going to support the weight of that material. Another nice thing that you get with this machine that I rarely see on any serger is a knee lift. The knee lift will go right in front of the machine, and now I can raise and lower the presser foot by using my knee, being able to keep both hands on my fabric as I raise and lower my presser foot. Remember, when we raise and lower the presser foot, we raise it up, it's going to release those tension discs, so I can pull my fabric through with no problem whatsoever. Taking the table off is just as easy. There's one little button in the back, and it slides right off if I don't need it. On our website, we have all the different stitch configurations of the B62. This machine is going to let you do so many stitches, very easy for us to convert back and forth in different stitches, from wide to narrow cover hem to chain stitch. And then with optional attachments, there's so many possibilities with the B62, but it's really easy for us to sew. Have the knee lifted on the machine right now. I'm going to raise and lower my presser foot to get that fabric under it. Now this machine will have an electronic foot control that comes with it. The harder I press on it, the faster the machine will go. The lighter I press on it, the slower it'll go. We can go up to 1,000 stitches per minute. So let's just show you just how smooth this machine will sew installing that cover stitch on our fabric. I have a little razor on the side that clips that for me. No problem whatsoever. Ken Sewing Center is your authorized Bernette dealer. We carry everything that's made for the Bernette machines. Once you purchase from us, you get our premium support package. We're here to help you for the life that you own your machine. All you have to do is just be sitting in front of it, pick up the phone and give us a call. One of our technicians can help you troubleshoot a problem. We have salespeople and other educators to help you use the machine or find the right accessory for you.